Now we shall pass on to problem number 22. In this, go to the last line of the problem. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. We should prepare only this account. No journal entries asked to be prepared. And here, the last date is 31/12. 1st January it begins, therefore ends in 31/12/2018. Under problem number 22. What we should write, I told you already, the first item should be written here is, that is as on 31/12/2018 by profit and loss account. The amount given here is 2,20,000. 2,20,000. I said already, the interest on drawings will appear on the credit side, other items will appear on the debit side. You can remember very easily. Interest on drawings will appear on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account, and other items will appear on the credit side. We shall see one by one now. Profit and losses to be shared in the ratio 2:1, that which we need at the end of the problem. So that we can divide the balance share of profit to the partners. That we can do it at the end. Now go to the subdivision number B. Partners to be entitled to interest on capital at the rate of 4%. So, the last date of the year to interest on capital. The two partners here are Dinesh Sukumar. Dinesh Sukumar. Dinesh, 1,50,000 into the rate of interest given is 4%. That is 4/100. You will get 6,000. Then the next partner, Sukumar, 1,20,000 into 4/100. So 4 into 1,200, 4,800. These are the two interest on capital items. So we can write for Dinesh 6,000, for Sukumar 4,800. So the total interest on capital is 10,800. Okay, let it be. Then interest on drawings, that will appear on the other side. So what is it? By interest on drawings. The same Dinesh Sukumar. Dinesh interest on drawing 3,600. Sukumar's 2,200. So 5,800. Then the next one, Dinesh to receive a salary. Just now I said, except the interest on drawings, all the items respect to the partners will appear here. So the next item, 2, salary to Dinesh, Interest on drawings, Dinesh to receive a salary. Salary to Dinesh. Only Dinesh to get a salary of 60,000 for the year. 60,000. And Sukumar to receive a commission of 80,000. To commission to Sukumar. Commission to Sukumar. The amount is 80,000. And we go to the last one. During the year ended on 31st December, during the year, the total profit earned is 2,20,000. So, we can close this. We have attended all the entries now. We can close it. The total of the credit side is 2,25,800. Here also you write the same total, 2,25,800, and the balancing figure will be 0,005. 75,000. That is 140, 1,50,800 plus 1,50,800. You minus this from 2,25,800, you will get 75,000. This 75,000 should be divided how? How it is given? How it should be divided? See, is there any ratio given? Profit and losses to be shared in the ratio 2:1. The ratio is 2:1. So 75,000 into 2 by the total, 2 by 3. 75,000 into 1 by the total. This is 25,000. 2 times 25,000, 50,000, and 1 time 25,000. If you simplify again, you will get 25. 25 into 1, 25,000. Yes. This must be divided among the partners. What we should write for this to partners capital account? Partners capital account. The first partner, Dinesh. Second partner, Sukumar. For Dinesh, 50,000. Sukumar, 25,000. So, this is the profit and loss appropriation account. Once again, I repeat this question. This is a very straight question. Here we are supposed to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended this day. These profit and loss appropriation account items are generally appearing at the end of the year, because we will come to know the profit only at the end of the year. Interest on drawings is received at the end of the year. Interest on capital is paid at the end of the year. Salary is paid at the end of the year. Commission is paid at the end of the year. The balancing amount is divided and given to the partners only at the end of the accounting year, because the date is the last date of the accounting year. So I have written 31/12/2018 profit and loss account, that is the profit given there. Interest on drawings, it is given in amount, therefore this we have written and right. The same thing for interest on capital, 4% is given. So for 1,50,000 Dinesh, what should be the amount of capital? Amount of interest on capital. For Sukumar, 1,20,000, what should be the interest on capital? 4,800. So the total interest on capital 10,800. Only salary is given to Dinesh, therefore salary to Dinesh. Commission is given only to Sukumar, so commission to Sukumar. So after writing this, what is the balancing amount here? Only 75,000. This after receiving the interest on drawings, after paying interest on capital, salary, commission, the remaining amount is 75,000. It should be divided among the partners, Dinesh and Sukumar. In what way? In the agreement itself it is given, they should divide the profit and losses in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, 2:1 in the ratio 2:1, the total share 3. Out of 3, 2 will be taken by or given by Dinesh, and 1 time will be given to Sukumar. That's what we have calculated and written there. That's all the profit and loss calculation account.